What's up, CW fans? I'm going to do a little bit more fun in the WPX contest. I think I found a frequency on 15 meters here. I'm going to start seeing if I can do some CW and see if I can get some folks here. I need to bring this up quite a bit. Again, I'm doing this on my laptop, and I don't have any headphones, so it's kind of hard for me to hear some of these stations. I've got it cranked up all the way, so hopefully it doesn't come over crappy on this video. Man, there must be somebody else on this frequency. Let's scooch right up over here. I don't know why it does that little ding. It's kind of annoying. I think there's only 90 minutes left in the contest, and I figured, I'll just do maybe a half hour. See what it looks like. So I'm connected to the W1 Chaplain station. I'm using remote ham radio, RHR. And I think I'm paying 19 cents a minute here. So if I did 100 minutes, it'd be 19 bucks. Got my little scope at the top. I could even bring it down a little bit. I'm going to do the repeat CQ here. Let's do repeat every 4 seconds. Boom, go. And oops. I don't think I meant to do that. Caught me off guard there. I almost didn't catch that. So, yeah, almost I was too busy playing around. Alright, so I don't know how to make it do the repeat CQ, but oh well. It's not like I'm going crazy on this contest here. I mean, heck. I've only got, how many, like 24 or something like that. So this is an off-center fed dipole at 100 feet. Kind of interesting. You kind of see that right about here. And it looks like Anyways, don't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, so off-center fed dipole at 100 feet right here. This is kind of like what the broadcast pattern looks like with these red areas here. I'm thinking Europe is on 15 meters is starting to die. And it's like super cool. I don't have any real software on my machine. You could hook this up to a Flex software, which I'm going to do in another video. I will say this is not for the faint of heart from a expense standpoint. This is not cheap. Especially, there's a reason why I'm not going to the Jonesport or the Eastport ones, and that's because it's $1.25 a minute. That's a lot of money. That's like, you know, more than $60 an hour. But maybe I might want to do that if I'm looking for some rare DX that I might not ever be able to get on my dipole that's 20 feet off the ground. Is that cheating? I don't know. Good question. Alright, so it seems like I'm not getting much traction here. I'm not sure how many more times I should call CQ on 15 meters, but oh, thought there was a YY in there. Okay, that was that guy. Very cool. Alright, so we got a little bit of Poland in there. Kind of wondering if I'm too close to another station, or maybe there's another station that I just can't hear that's on this frequency. So what I might do is slide down just a little bit. Oh shit. Cool. I'm thinking he might be 2 BSIQ possibly. Is that it? really hard fought. Shit. So I keep screwing up here, as you can tell. I keep hitting the space bar to go to the next field, like N1MM, but I'm in this mode called Enter Sends Message, ESM, which I'll do a video about that specifically with N1MM. It's kind of a cool mode if you're really into running and doing contests and stuff like that, especially on CW. And you don't have to hit the space bar to, when you hit the space bar, that has certain implications to what you're doing. So I'll do a total video on that. It's called ESM, Enter Sends Message. And it's kind of a cool feature. And it looks like, when you're using the total interface for remote ham radio, it looks like that's kind of a default setting, and I don't know that you can even change that, or maybe if you would even want to change it, because, yeah. It looks like I can use the function keys here, so kind of interesting. You can edit the macros. So I guess I could use the function keys and do it like I normally do it in N1MM, but I'm trying to get used to the enter sends message function anyways. Cool. Yeah, so he sits 1692, but he sent 16N2. And I usually just type what I copy. So I've typed in 16N, and of course the N didn't take. And I recognized that from yesterday when I was playing around with this. You have to translate the N to a 9 and type in 9. I would like to get 100 contacts. Don't think that's going to happen. I might have to drop down to 20 meters. Especially this late in the day. I did also realize that I'm on the ARRL broadcast frequency here too, so I think it's 47.5 is what they use normally. So I don't know if I'm battling with. No, I think I would definitely hear them. All right, so I think I'm going to change frequencies. I might even do some search and pounce and see if that does anything for me. let's see who this is. Changes to search. Oh wow. So let's bring this down to there. It's still a little bit too fast for him. I'm thinking maybe, let's go. I think I might abandon this effort. Okay, so that takes care of that. So that was what? Too much of a mess. What? How about 8 Papa 5F? Wow. 5,000. Jesus. Alright, if he doesn't come back to me now, something's wrong. Yeah, something's not right. Alright, so I think I'm going to go to 20 meters and see if there's any fun down there. Wow, there's all kinds of cool stuff down here, though. Hey, it's CE2 CT. CE3. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Where'd he go? Oops. So I'm guessing that guy's doing 2B SIQ because that's like totally annoying. I'm just gonna say it right now. Very unpopular opinion. Okay, ready? Alright, let's see if we can get the CE3CT. That'd be fun. Wow. Alright, got a VK1, that's cool. Alright, let's see if we can get CE3CT. I hope that's CE3CT. Come on, folks. Got him in a log. Yeah, it doesn't seem like I'm getting out to... Alright. Alright, so that takes care of that. Just for the heck of it, let's go down to 20 meters. See what's going on here. Ooh, CN3A. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do some of the point and clicking. I'm going to do some pointing and clicking here. RU3A. Anything? Nothing. J42 Lima? Ooh. Come on. Oh, shit. See, I'm like not paying attention. Ah, shit. Ah, damn it. Alrighty, cool, let's go. On 5. Wow, what a screw up. Like, terrible. This interface is killing me. You just got to get used to it. Wow, just crazy. Yeah, I'm just not the best at this interface quite yet. So what other kind of cool stations do we have here? R6O, anybody else I know? That's a PJ2T. Any interesting stuff? X-ray. Alright, let's see. Who is this? Is this WR20? Let's get him. That's WR30. Cool. Come on, baby. Try to get CN3. LT20. Oh, fuck. Oops. See, that's V5M. Okay, last one, I think, and then we're going to call it a day. Or maybe not. Okay, let's try this one. B96. Let's do it. All right, so that takes care of that. We're going to let's see what the station is real quick. That was RG2A. All right, just wanted to get one more. There's always that one more. Good. All right, so that's what we're doing here with this remote ham radio. I'm going to do a larger video on this, the interface, what it looks like. Like I said, this is not for the faint of heart. It costs a little bit of money. I've been on here for 36 minutes. I'm paying 19 cents a minute. So not an incredible amount of cost, but you know, if you wanted to do a whole contest like this, you know, that could cost some money. But you know, then again, I don't have access to towers and rotating equipment and all that other stuff. So might be kind of fun to jump on and use a little bit of cash to make some fun contacts and do some running. I wound up doing that yesterday a little bit. So it's kind of a neat thing. So anyways, again, look for some more videos on this. It's kind of like a new thing for me. Again, W2RE is the person behind this remote ham radio, and it's pretty cool. He offers it for free to youngsters. So if you're a young ham and you want to try this stuff out, they have a great program. So fun way to get some CW contacts. Anyways, if any questions you have, let me know. CW on, my friends.